Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you aren't new. I'm Annisa. And happy Halloween. I'm gonna post new Halloween makeup tutorials every week on Saturday of October for the whole months of October. So yeah, 31 days of Halloween starts now, even though I'm late because it's literally Saturday the 21st. And right now it's like 3:06 in the morning, so yeah. I just did As a Mother from Coraline, and I've tried filming this tutorial like 5 times already, yeah. And when I said third time's a charm, it wasn't really. The first time I did it, it was actually good, but I didn't get the good quality content on TikTok. And now this is the last time I'm doing it, and the pictures turned out well and the videos turned out well, and I'm gonna use all the sounds of the Coraline audio in TikTok and on Reels on Instagram so I can make content after. And yeah, if you wanted to go extra, I could have did black eyeshadow underneath my chin and black contour, give it more definition, but I didn't want to ruin the look. It turned out so perfect, just like the reference picture. Just I didn't do my neck and my chest area because I don't have a neck, as you can see. It's so short, it's non-existent, so I can't really see or add details to it. So yeah, anyways, this is the look. If you want, you can recreate it. I tried to reduce the button eyes the best I could, and I love it. This is the first time I actually did it perfectly and precise, because when I did it before, it's just smoky and it was just big, and I did it over my brows and it was just not right size for buttons. So I added the 4 dots using black paint on my eyelid, so when I close my eyes you can see more details like that, but I just want to work on it more so it looks like a real button. Maybe I should add another outline inside that circle to give it more of a button shape, but I just didn't have the right type of brushes to do that and enough space to do that. So yeah, anyways, I use a bunch of eyeshadow palettes for the beige base on my face for the character look, because I didn't have face paint for the look, so I can use white eyeshadow. I have to use a bunch of browns and peaches and make it look like my skin, but make it look like the character as well. So I use Morphe Jeffree Star palette and Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I also use this body face paint from Amazon. I use the beige and the light beige from Lucy Beauty. It's the Eye palette, and I use the black shade here as well for the button eyes and everything. And last but not least, I use a white eyeshadow that kind of sucks in here, but it kind of works for this look because I use brown and beige for it and peach for it to blend it out and make it stand out a bit. But this just keeps getting dusty and it looks gray. The color doesn't show at all and it disappears the minute you apply it, so it's not the best quality white eyeshadow at all. It's just an eraser basically. It just blends. So I mixed it with this, and this is a Morphe James Charles palette. For the base, I did use a lot of skin makeup products as well, like I normally do with my glam makeup tutorials, because I'm a beauty guru. I cannot skip this step. I just do it normally. So I use the Dr. Brandt Hydrating Primer. I forgot my Too Faced concealer, but I use Maybelline Fit Me concealer for the highlight under my brow, under my eyes, I mean, to make it bright. I use a under eye brightener from Rare Beauty. I also mixed foundation. I mixed Makeup by Mario, and then tinted moisturizer from Rare Beauty, and the BBB cream from One Size Beauty. And this is like 2 days old because it's been there in my room like this. for a week. So yeah. Anyways, I love how this look turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos every week. Buy my book, Trouble at Girls United. The link to my book and the makeup products I use will be in the description down below. Follow me on all my social media, and yeah, subscribe.
Hey, Annisa Bryan. So congratulations on having a book out. That's amazing.
Hi, Annisa. You are an author, you mentioned. Your book, Trouble at Girls United. In with the new friends, out with the old. That sounds really good. Sounds very intriguing.
Annisa wanted me to tell you guys that she has a new book called Trouble at Girls United, In with the New Friends, Out with the Old. And you can check it out on Author House and Amazon.
Hey guys! So first I'm using the Dr. Brand Backlit Primer Base Lumiere Prime Blur Glow. I love this primer because it's not sticky or tacky and it moisturizes my skin. It protects my skin underneath all that makeup, so it's perfect. It's hydrating and glowy as well. Now I'm using the Rare Beauty Under Eye Brightener to brighten my under eyes. Now I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from the Tresemme Beauty Cyan palette, and I'm using a tiny pointy detail brush to outline circles around my eye sockets. As you can see, I'm trying to make some button eyes. Now with a flat fluffy brush, I'm going to use the same black eyeshadow to fill it in.
Now I'm going to use the face and body paints that I got from Amazon. And with the same brush, I'm going to dip into the black paint and draw the details of the button eyes. I'm going to draw 4 dots on my eyelid in the center, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Try to look at a reference when doing this. This step is optional. Now I'm going to use the Morphe James Charles palette, and the shades I'm going to dip into is the white and the beige at the top. After, I'm going to use the Morphe Jack and Hill palette, and I'm going to dip into the 2 light browns at the top row. And next, I'm going into the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and I'm going to use the light brown at the top and the peach at the bottom. And with a fluffy brush and tapping motions, I'm going to blend it in all over my face. Now I'm going to use the face and body paint from Amazon, and I'm going to use the tiny detail flat brush to draw the eyebrows in a confused or worried looking expression. Now I'm using an angled eyeliner brush to draw the lines around my face to make it look like I'm transforming into a Spider Woman. I'll make squiggly lines to look like glass cracking. You'll need a reference for this step. Now I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lipstick from the old Stormy collection. This is her black lipstick. It's really nice. I'm obsessed with it.
So with the flat brush, I'm going into it's a Translucent Beauty Cyan palette, and I'm using some black eyeshadow to do some shading over the lines in some places, not all. And yeah, guys, that's the finished makeup look. Let me know in the comments what you think.
Hey guys, I hope you liked this makeup look that I did. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.